We got a truck, we got a crane on the site. Wonder what we got going on.
Monster Energy. I am the beast.
Another
Monster Energy
sponsored job site. All right, got the gear set up, ready to go. It's pool dig day. Putting another soak pool out here in beautiful Bent Creek. Check it out. Day number 2, digging holes.
Can you dig it?
While we were digging in dirt, turns out digging in rock.
Can you dig it?
There he is.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Rock digger extraordinaire. On a set of dirt, he got rocks, 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 bigger rocks.
Oh my God!
Currently debating our situation here. Looks like that might be one big rock.
Holy moly, macaroni!
What row? We're out here in beautiful Bent Creek, contemplating what we're gonna do about this boulder. One massive boulder. Looks like probably 2 massive boulders. Soak pool drop-in day. Got the cranes out here. About to get after. Let's go see what happens. Hopefully this camera keeps working. Alright, out here today, dropping in the soak pool. You can see behind me, got the soak pool sitting on a truck. Crane's right down there, getting set up right now. You got that crane, lift up that pool, put it down in that hole.
A few moments later.
Catch you on the flip side.
Almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.